Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make chocolate and almond butter squares. First, melt the chocolate on a double boiler, then add almond butter. I have my almond butter in the fridge, so it's little cold. I needed more time to let it melt and incorporate with the chocolate. Now you see these are not air bubbles. These are almonds. It's crunchy, it's delicious. I prepared a baking dish. I lined it with a piece of parchment paper, and now I'm just going to transfer it. Just make it even. And now you can decorate it whichever way you want it. I'll do it this way. I will sprinkle some shredded coconut. Then after that, I'll place it in the fridge until it's firm. It will take a few hours. I usually leave it overnight. Now next day, just cut it. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.